In previous some videos, we had seen what is Heron's formula and why Heron's formula we use, where we can use that Heron's formula. Let's take an example and understand this concept in detail. So let's take an example where height is not given. If the sides of a triangle are 9 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm, then how to find the area of triangle? Here is the absence of height. Height is not given, so we can't use the formula area is equals to half into base into height. So here we have to use the Heron's formula. Now what is Heron's formula? Heron's formula is area of triangle is equals to an under root s in bracket s minus a, another bracket s minus b, another bracket s minus c. All these terms are in under root. Now let's put the values. Now what is S? First of all, we have to find the S. S is nothing but the semi-perimeter. To find the semi-perimeter, we have to add all the sides and divide them by 2. So S is equals to 9 plus 12 plus 15 upon 2. And 9 plus 12 plus 15 is equals to 36. 36 upon 2 is nothing but 18 centimeter. So we had to find value of S, that is nothing but 18. Now let's put the values in a formula. Under root 18 in bracket 18 minus 9, 18 minus 12 and 18 minus 15. 18 is the S, A is 9, B is 12 and C is 15. We had put all the values. Now let's calculate them. So it become under root 18 in bracket 9, another bracket becomes 6 and another bracket become 3. After doing the subtraction, we get this result. Now it become under root 9 minus 9 multiplied by 2, 9 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 3. We had written these values in a simplified form. Now all the numbers occurs 2 times. So we can write it as a 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. When the number comes 2 times, means their square is given. And if the square is given, we can remove their square root. So 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 54 centimeter square. So the area of given triangle is 54 centimeter square, whose side is 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. There was an absence of height, but still by using Heron's formula we can find the area of any kind of triangle. Hope you understand and you understand where and how we can use the Heron's formula. Thank you so much for watching.